After you set up your living trust, the most important thing is transfer all assets that will go through probate into the living trust. If you set up a living trust without transfer all the assets, you just like have an empty box. We always call that unfunded trust. Now, what kind of assets you need to go through probate? Now, including the house you live, the real estate property you invest, the company you own, and the LLC you own for investment property, your bank account, and your brokerage account that don't have beneficiary form. So all the assets need to transfer to the living trust. The only asset you don't need to transfer to living trust are those assets you don't need to go through probate, including your retirement account, including your life insurance, including your annuity. Your bank account, unless you fill out the form called POD, pay on death. Your brokerage account, unless you fill out a form called TOD, transfer on death. Otherwise, everything else you need to transfer to your living trust. Living trust, mainly the jurisdiction only limit to US. If you have assets in other country, unless that country use US business entity to own assets, and also that US entity owned by the living trust. Otherwise, US have no jurisdiction. So make it simple. Only US assets can be governed by US living trust. Anything outside, you need to do it differently. Example, if you're in China or in Taiwan, you need to have a local will to avoid probate because their trust law is not that complete yet. The easiest way, contact your CPA or tax preparer and notify them you need to change your company owner's name from you and your spouse into your living trust. Normally, your tax people will help you to do that. If your tax people cannot help you, we can help you. For sure, you'll need to let them know you pick them as your financial and medical power attorney. So in anything happen to you, they will be the one need to make a decision for you. If you don't tell them, and when anything happen, number one, maybe you cannot contact them, and maybe they don't know, they are not prepared. So the best way is let them know you set up a living trust and you pick them for power attorney. Remember, we always say this way, a living trust just like you have another name. Your tax ID or your social. So basically, it's really nothing changed. Of course, you can buy and sell, no problem. And when you sell your real estate owned by the living trust, the cash proceeds will go directly paid to your living trust. Then you can deposit to your living trust bank account.